Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 12 cruiser motorcycles to buy now and never worry about repairs again. Number 12. Triumph Bonneville T120. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is a cruiser motorcycle built with classic looks and modern reliability, making it a pick for riders who never want to worry about constant repairs. It is known for its solid build quality, attention to detail, and long-term durability that appeals to riders across the United States who want something dependable without spending extra money on fixes every year. Underneath, the Bonneville T120 carries a 1,200cc parallel twin engine that has been refined for smooth performance and very little vibration. This motor is liquid-cooled, which helps it stay consistent even after long rides in varying weather. Owners often highlight how the engine runs strong for well over 100,000 miles with basic maintenance, making it one of the longest-lasting cruisers in its category. It is not only about power, but also about how worry-free the ride remains year after year. The price of the Bonneville T120 in the U.S. market hovers around $13,000, and while that may seem a bit more than smaller cruisers, the value lies in its long-term reliability. Riders save thousands in the long run by avoiding major repairs, which is why many see it as an investment instead of just another motorcycle purchase. Overall, the Triumph Bonneville T120 is a cruiser that delivers timeless looks, dependable performance, and lasting value, making it a smart choice for riders who want peace of mind with every mile. Number 11. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a cruiser that blends comfort, size, and reliability, making it one of the strongest choices in the mid-range segment. Riders across the United States value it for being a dependable motorcycle that rarely leaves them worrying about surprise shop bills. It has a reputation for holding up well over the years while giving riders the look and feel of a bigger cruiser at a much more affordable entry point. Powering the Vulcan 900 is a 900cc V-twin engine that is liquid-cooled and tuned for smooth torque delivery. This motor has been built to handle long-distance rides without breaking a sweat, and owners often keep them running past 100,000 miles with only routine oil changes, belt checks, and scheduled maintenance. Kawasaki engineered this bike to be stress-free, which is why it is often chosen by riders who want longevity without complications. The Vulcan 900 comes in at around $9,000 in the U.S. market, which positions it as a solid buy for anyone seeking a reliable cruiser without overspending. When talking lifespan, it is common to see Vulcan 900 models on the road with mileage well over 120,000 and still going strong. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a cruiser that delivers dependable performance, strong value for money, and long-lasting durability, making it a motorcycle you can count on for years of worry-free riding. Number 10. Yamaha Bolt. The Yamaha Bolt is a cruiser that stands out for its simplicity, reliability, and classic styling, making it a strong choice for riders who want a bike that lasts without draining their wallet on repairs. Across the United States, it has built a reputation as a dependable daily machine that feels light to handle yet sturdy enough for longer rides. At the heart of the Bolt is a 950cc air-cooled V-twin engine that produces smooth torque and steady performance. Yamaha designed this motor with minimal complexity, which means there are fewer things to go wrong over time. Owners often report their Bolt staying strong past 80,000 miles, and many crossing 100,000 with only regular servicing. This balance of power and longevity has helped the Bolt gain a loyal following. Price-wise, the Yamaha Bolt sits around $8,700 in the U.S. market, making it a very approachable option for riders seeking a reliable cruiser without overspending. Considering its durability, many find the value unmatched, as the maintenance costs are low and the bike avoids the costly breakdowns that some other cruisers face. Over the years, this translates into thousands saved and a ride that continues to deliver. Overall, the Yamaha Bolt is a cruiser that proves you don't need to spend top dollar to get a motorcycle that will hold strong for years, making it a dependable choice for riders who want lasting value. Number 9. Suzuki Boulevard M109R. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R is a heavyweight cruiser built for riders in the United States who want power, presence, and durability without constant repair worries. It is known for combining aggressive styling with a build quality that keeps it on the road for years, making it a favorite among riders who want both performance and longevity. Underneath, the Boulevard M109R runs a 1,780cc V-twin engine, one of the largest in the cruiser world. Despite its size, the motor is engineered for long-term reliability, with liquid cooling and proven internals that allow it to run smooth mile after mile. Many riders have clocked more than 100,000 miles on these bikes while only needing routine maintenance, which speaks volumes about its toughness. The price of the Suzuki Boulevard M109R in the US market sits around $16,000, which may feel like a big upfront investment, but its lasting value makes it worth every dollar. Instead of pouring thousands into repairs over the years, owners benefit from a machine that just keeps running. This long lifespan and low repair rate also keep resale values strong compared to other large cruisers. Overall, the Suzuki Boulevard M109R is a cruiser that blends massive power with proven reliability, offering American riders a motorcycle that not only looks and feels strong, but truly lasts the test of time. Number 8. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a cruiser built for riders who want a simple, dependable motorcycle that doesn't demand constant upkeep. In the United States, it has gained attention for offering timeless cruiser styling at a very approachable price, while still delivering long-lasting reliability that surprises many first-time buyers. The Meteor 350 is powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine that is air-oil-cooled and designed for steady performance. Owners regularly push these bikes well beyond 70,000 miles, with many reporting them still running strong past 100,000 when serviced on schedule. Its lightweight motor and simple design are the main reasons it rarely suffers from expensive repair issues. Price is a major advantage, with the Meteor 350 costing around $5,000 in the US market. For that money, buyers get a cruiser that is cheap to own, affordable to maintain, and capable of saving thousands in repair bills compared to larger cruisers over time. When it comes to lifespan, this bike consistently proves that small displacement doesn't mean short life. With proper care, it has a reliable service life measured in decades rather than just years. Overall, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a cruiser that offers lasting dependability, low ownership costs, and the peace of mind that comes from owning a machine that keeps going without costly surprises. Number 7. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a cruiser known for its reliability, easy handling, and long-lasting build quality. Riders often appreciate how it combines modern styling with dependable engineering, giving them a motorcycle that avoids the constant repair concerns that can come with some other bikes in this class. At its core, the Vulcan S uses a 649cc parallel twin engine that is liquid-cooled and tuned for smooth, consistent performance. This motor has proven itself over the years to be extremely durable, with many owners riding well past 100,000 miles on stock internals. The price of the Vulcan S comes in around $8,000, making it an affordable choice in the cruiser segment. What makes it stand out is how it saves riders thousands over the long run by avoiding major repair costs and maintaining strong performance with just routine maintenance. When it comes to lifespan, the Vulcan S is often kept for more than a decade without needing any major overhauls. Its frame, suspension, and engine are all built to handle everyday riding as well as longer highway stretches without wearing out quickly. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan S is a cruiser that blends proven reliability, affordable pricing, and a long service life, making it a motorcycle that truly earns its place as one you can ride for years without worrying about repairs. Number 6. A Suzuki Boulevard C50. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 is a cruiser that has built its reputation on being dependable, comfortable, and easy to maintain. It is a motorcycle chosen by riders who want a classic cruiser look with the confidence that it will keep running without becoming a repair headache. At the heart of the Boulevard C50 is an 805cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This motor is tuned for steady torque and smooth delivery, making it both enjoyable and reliable over long stretches. Owners often report that with regular servicing, the C50 runs well beyond 90,000 miles, with many crossing the 100,000 mark while still performing strong. The Boulevard C50 comes in at a price of around $9,000, which is a fair entry point for a cruiser of this size and capability. Beyond the initial price, the real savings come in the form of low maintenance costs. Riders don't have to worry about spending thousands in repairs, as the C50's build quality and reliability reduce those risks significantly. Overall, the Suzuki Boulevard C50 is a cruiser that delivers a reliable riding experience, strong durability, and lasting value, making it a motorcycle that continues to prove itself as one of the dependable picks in the cruiser world. Number 5. Honda Shadow Phantom. The Honda Shadow Phantom is a cruiser that combines stripped-down styling with the kind of reliability that Honda has been known for over decades. It is a motorcycle designed to stay dependable year after year, giving riders the comfort of knowing they won't be dealing with frequent or costly repair issues. Powering the Shadow Phantom is a 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This motor is smooth, durable, and easy to maintain, with many riders reporting their bikes lasting well beyond 100,000 miles. Its simple design, along with Honda's engineering focus on longevity, ensures that the Shadow Phantom keeps running strong with only routine maintenance like oil changes and valve checks. The price sits at about $8,300, making it one of the most affordable cruisers in its category. What sets it apart is how much value it brings over time. Instead of worrying about pouring thousands into repairs, owners enjoy a bike that consistently delivers performance without surprise expenses. When it comes to lifespan, the Shadow Phantom has one of the strongest track records in the cruiser segment. It is not uncommon to see these bikes on the road after more than a decade of riding, with their engines and frames still holding up impressively well. Overall, the Honda Shadow Phantom is a cruiser that gives riders confidence, reliability, and long-term value, making it a motorcycle that continues to earn respect for how well it lasts without the headaches of major repairs. Number 4. Triumph Bonneville Bobber. The Triumph Bonneville Bobber is a cruiser that blends a stripped-back retro design with the dependability that riders want when they are looking for a motorcycle that won't constantly demand repairs. It has earned a reputation for being one of the most reliable modern classics, thanks to both its engineering and long-lasting build quality. At its core, the Bonneville Bobber carries a 1,200cc parallel twin engine, the same proven powerplant that has shown excellent durability across the Triumph lineup. This liquid-cooled motor is tuned for strong torque and smooth power delivery, while also being engineered to run for well over 100,000 miles with nothing more than regular servicing. Its modern internals mean less wear, fewer failures, and a ride that stays consistent through the years. The price for the Bonneville Bobber is around $14,000, placing it in the premium side of the cruiser segment. While the initial cost is higher, the long-term savings in repair avoidance make it a solid investment. As for lifespan, the Bonneville Bobber is built to be a long-term motorcycle, with riders commonly pushing them past 150,000 miles while keeping the ride quality intact. Overall, the Triumph Bonneville Bobber is a cruiser that combines classic styling with modern reliability, making it an ideal choice for riders who want a motorcycle that looks timeless while lasting for years without constant repairs. Number 3. Royal Enfield Classic 350. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a cruiser built with old-school styling and modern dependability, making it one of the most trusted entry-level cruisers for riders who want something that lasts without becoming a repair burden. It is known for its straightforward design, durable construction, and the kind of reliability that keeps it running year after year. The Classic 350 is powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine that is air-oil-cooled and tuned for smooth, steady performance. This motor is simple yet effective, and its low-stress design allows it to run for decades if maintained properly. Many owners report their bikes going beyond 80,000 miles, with some stretching well past 100,000 while still staying strong with routine servicing. Its simplicity means fewer parts that can fail, which makes it especially cost-effective in the long run. When it comes to pricing, the Classic 350 sits at around $5,000, making it one of the most affordable cruisers in the market. In terms of longevity, the Classic 350 has one of the best reputations in its class. It is not unusual to see decades-old models still running, and the latest generation continues that same tradition of durability. Overall, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a cruiser that delivers affordability, dependability, and lasting durability, making it an easy recommendation for riders who want a motorcycle that won't let them down. Number 2. Yamaha Vstar 250. The Yamaha Vstar 250 is a lightweight cruiser that has earned a solid reputation for being easy to own, cheap to maintain, and incredibly reliable over time. It is often seen as the perfect starting point for riders who want a true cruiser feel without the added stress of frequent repairs or high upkeep costs. Powering the Vstar 250 is a 249cc air-cooled V-twin engine. Despite its small size, this motor is known for its toughness and ability to last far longer than many expect. With proper care, owners often report their bikes crossing 70,000 miles, and some examples run well past 100,000 miles. Its simple engine design means there are fewer parts that can fail, which is why the Vstar is one of the least likely cruisers to face costly mechanical issues. The price of the Vstar 250 hovers around $5,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly cruisers available. When it comes to lifespan, the Vstar 250 proves that smaller displacement doesn't mean shorter service life. Riders often keep them for more than a decade, enjoying consistent performance without the need for major overhauls. The bike's light weight also reduces wear on key components, which helps extend its life even further. Overall, the Yamaha Vstar 250 is a cruiser that delivers lasting dependability, affordable ownership, and a long life on the road, making it one of the most practical choices for riders who want peace of mind without overspending. Number 1. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 is one of the most dependable midsize cruisers on the market, designed for riders who want a motorcycle that lasts for years without the constant worry of repairs. Its mix of comfort, durability, and approachable size makes it a top pick for both new and experienced riders who want a cruiser they can rely on. At its core, the Rebel 500 carries a 471cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. This motor is smooth, efficient, and proven to last far beyond 100,000 miles when serviced on schedule. Its design is simple yet refined, which reduces wear and tear while keeping maintenance costs low. The Rebel 500 is priced at around $7,000, which makes it an affordable choice considering the long-term value it delivers. Because it rarely needs more than routine maintenance, owners save thousands over the years, making it one of the most cost-effective cruisers to keep on the road. In terms of longevity, the Rebel 500 is known to remain strong for more than a decade of riding, often outlasting heavier and more complex cruisers. Overall, the Honda Rebel 500 is a cruiser that offers dependable performance, affordable ownership, and proven long-term durability, making it a motorcycle you can ride for years without worrying about costly repairs. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.